we had rusty flashing around our chimney. So I Googled and I found a Guardian under chimney repairers near me. They sent out a person right away, looked at the chimney and asked me how old my roof was. I told him it was 20 years old. And he said, you mind if I just look upstairs in your attic to see what I see and, give you some peace of mind and make sure everything's fine. Well, he came back with all kinds of moisture readings and photos of mold and pictures of daylight that you could see through my roof. And we sat down to talk about it. I was just very, very impressed with his professionalism. We decided to go ahead and sign a contract, but I did do my due diligence afterwards. I'm a very scrupulous consumer. Went online, did all the Yelping and all that kind of stuff to make sure I'd made the right decision. I really began to pick up the impression that this is a very deep bench. They have specialists, they have masons, they have electricians, and everything that we had done eventually was done by a specialist. I got phone calls every day after everybody left, asked me, or texts, was everything fine? Did they clean up? Do you have any questions, any problems? Point I'm making here is that this company trains their people. It's evident top to bottom that there's a lot of training, education, constant upgrading of skill sets, and the culture of quality control is very solid. I could feel it. And I would highly recommend Guardian to family, friends, anybody that asks me. That'd be who I recommend.